Hi, I have a new lyrics composition entitled Please Don't Pretend in a tune of Please Don't Ask Me. Please don't mislead the people in our hometown all about your corruptions. And please don't say it's all political attack, the case filed against you. The fact that you're indicted and the case pursued, the trial court that you cannot hide. Please don't pretend that you're not a corrupt leader. You said it's just a politically motivated attack, the case filed against you. No matter how you denied the corruption you're doing, taxpayers can see. It only hurts the more you pretend that you haven't done massive corruptions. You're just fooling yourself no matter how many times you denied. You couldn't easily fool the people in our hometown. No matter how you mislead them by giving wrong information, people will expose the anomalies from what they have seen on you. Though you tried to keep your corruption secret, but you can't keep it right down to the end. Please don't pretend that you're not a corrupt leader. Intelligent people don't believe you. And please don't use my name and twist your political issues just to hide your wrongdoings. You could not lie in the eyes of God, for He can see all your irregularities. Please stop your hypocrisy, for you can't fool intelligent people. Please don't pretend you are not a corrupt leader. Thank you.